Yeah, I mean, it's interesting. I mean, we're not, philosophically, we like to focus on, what the kind of goal or the outcome is that we're looking for, and then work out what the best technology solution is, rather than try and find an application for a new bit of tech, if you like. And so I think what we've done is it comes back to what I was saying earlier about digital and technology being there to support the business strategy rather than just being an end in itself. I think we've not really found a particular opportunity or application for blockchain. We've had a couple of kind of experiments and looked at a few things, but nothing of any scale. In terms of AI and machine learning, we're doing quite a lot of that now. We've got a very strong data science capability in our business, born out of our kind of actuarial teams, and so we're very strong on that kind of data science modeling, propensity modeling, predictive modeling, those kinds of things. So we're now using those skills with combined with machine learning platforms to power our customer experience a little bit. So, for example, we're doing some work with some ML work with Dynatrace to deliver what we call proactive servicing. So where we notice within our digital layer that a customer is having a particular problem with an interaction, it may be they're seeing an error message, maybe we see an error in the service, in the back end service behind the front end experience, or there could be a number of different triggers. We can then use the tooling from Dynatrace combined with the kind of machine learning models to power a feed into our servicing teams, who then can proactively reach out to customers and say, oh, we noticed you've had a problem here, how can we help? So there's things like that. We're also using it to drive what we call next best actions. So taking all the data we have about a particular member and using it to effectively push a recommendation on what we think they should do next in order to get the best value from the product. Mm-hmm. So, for example, someone might have signed up and we noticed that they haven't gone online and completed their health review, which is a key step in unlocking other benefits in our product. So if we notice that, we might push a notification to them to say, click here and complete your health review and unlock your rewards or whatever. And so we're kind of we're using the machine learning models to sort of power some of that personalization in the experience. And then in terms of RPA, we've been doing quite a lot of that. I mean, health insurance in particular is quite carries quite an administrative overhead, particularly in the B2B space, where you've got large volumes of members coming on schemes, etc. Lots of transactions, lots of admin transactions. So we're using that to obviously, provide us with increased efficiency in the operational areas through some of those high volume, simple transactions. But I think what I would say with the RPA kind of stuff is we don't see that as an end state. RPA is arguably, it's a little bit of a workaround in that, our preference would obviously to have a straight through process end to end. RPA really kind of slots in where maybe there's a challenge in delivering that through, due to our legacy systems or something like that, and we can slot an RPA solution in to accelerate the efficiency gain whilst we work on the MSA strategy and build out components later. So it's kind of, it's playing a very, very useful role in helping us to accelerate some of those operational efficiencies as we build out our IT strategy on those things.